For many support organizations, AI-driven customer experience remains a distant dream as they struggle to modernize legacy systems and integrate a complex network of engagement channels. With Microsoft, that's all about to change. With Dynamics 365 Contact Center, support organizations get access to digital and voice channels, self-service across chat and voice, unified routing, and agent and supervisor experiences, all within their existing CRM, custom app, or using the included standalone application. For this demo, we'll focus on self-service using chat and IVR, followed by agent and supervisor experiences and how Copilot enhances each of them. Here, we see a customer interacting on the chat channel. Traditional customer service chatbots can be frustrating for anything beyond a simple FAQ. Here, however, the customer asks for help in natural language and Copilot immediately jumps in to help, asking a series of follow-up questions to both understand their intent and resolve their issue, without ever escalating to a human agent. In this case, a custom plugin lets Copilot look up and provide real-time shipping information to the customer. If customers prefer engaging over voice, Copilot in IVRs is here to help. Here we see a customer interacting with one of those conversational IVRs on the voice channel.
Good morning, Pavel. Thanks for calling Northwind. I see you chatted with us about an order yesterday. Are you calling about that?
Yes. Can that order be expedited?
Just to confirm, would you like to expedite the order with a tracking number ending in 3377?
Yes.
I've expedited your order. It'll now be delivered in 2 business days instead of 5 business days. Is there anything else I can help you with?
If I do change my mind, how long do I have to return it?
For Trailmaster X4, the return period is 90 days. Is there anything else I could help you with?
Yes. I'd like to increase the credit limit for my Northwind credit card.
Let me connect you with an agent for that.
When human assistance is required, our unified routing service matches the customer's intent with agent skills, finding the best person to help and avoiding misroutes. Here we see Dynamics 365 Contact Center can be embedded in a third-party CRM or custom app. In this experience, agents can not only have voice and digital conversations, but can also get access to AI-based real-time sentiment analysis, transcriptions, and translations. Copilot is there to support by summarizing the ongoing customer conversation and finding information from the knowledge base to help resolve the case faster. For those agents who would prefer to work outside of their CRM agent desktop, Dynamics 365 Contact Center also includes the standalone experience with even more enhanced Copilot capabilities such as timeline highlights. For supervisors, Dynamics 365 Contact Center provides a rich set of omnichannel analytics to further optimize contact center operations. In the era of AI-enabled customer service, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Contact Center allows customers to choose from a set of composable channels and solutions to power their support org without the need to replace their CRMs.